Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the quick and easy steps to create a brand new folder in Dropbox using your mobile device. Whether you want to organize photos, documents, or work files, setting up a folder will help keep everything in order, and it only takes a minute. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile. If you haven't already, sign in using your account email and password. This will bring you to your home screen where you can see your existing files and folders. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom of your device. You'll see a plus icon, usually positioned in the center or on the right side. Go ahead and tap that plus button. This is where Dropbox gives you options for adding new content. From the menu that appears, choose the option that says Create New Folder. This will open a simple prompt where you can enter the name of your folder. Think carefully about how you name it. It helps to be specific so you can easily find it later. For example, you might call it Vacation Photos, Work Projects, or Receipts 2025, depending on what you plan to store inside. After typing the name, tap the Create button. In just a moment, Dropbox will make your folder and add it to your list of files. You should now see it right there in your main directory. From here, you can start adding files directly into this folder. Tap it to open. Then use the plus button again to upload photos, documents, or any other files you want to keep organized. You can also share the folder with other people by using Dropbox's Share option, making it easy to collaborate on projects or exchange files. And that's it. You've successfully made a new Dropbox folder using your mobile device. By following these quick steps, you now have a dedicated place to keep your important files organized, accessible, and stored safely in the cloud.